Meet the Honor Power, a mid-range smartphone packing an insane 8,000 mAh battery. Yeah, you heard that right, 8,000. And the craziest part? It doesn't even look like a bulky power bank. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's got some serious stamina. Now you might be thinking, okay, big battery, but what's the catch? Surprisingly, not much. Honor could have cut corners everywhere else to hit this price point, but they didn't. The phone comes with a solid set of extras, a 66W supercharger, a transparent case, and even a USB A to C cable. That charger? It juices up that massive battery in just over an hour. How? Well, fast charging does most of the heavy lifting up to 80%, then slows down to protect the battery. Still, going from 0 to full in 65 minutes for an 8,000 mAh cell is seriously impressive. Build quality? It's plastic, but don't let that fool you. The matte finish and subtle patterns give it a premium feel, and at under 8mm thick, it's surprisingly slim for what's inside. Weighing in at 215 grams, it's not featherlight, but it's far from unwieldy. Honor even threw in some durability claims, anti-drop, anti-crush, and 360 degrees waterproofing, though no official IP rating. Would have been nice, but at this price, it's understandable. The display is where things get really good. We're talking a vibrant AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate, stereo speakers, and eye protection tech. It's bright, it's smooth, and it's easy on the eyes, literally. Honor even included 3840 Hz PWM dimming for those sensitive to flicker. Outdoors, it hits peak brightness levels that make everything crystal clear, and the cameras? The main 50MP shooter holds its own, especially in low light. The ultra-wide? Well, let's just say it exists. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 keeps things running smoothly. It's not a gaming powerhouse, but for everyday use, it's more than enough. Pair that with Magic OS and Android 15, and you've got a buttery smooth experience. And thanks to that efficient chip and massive battery, 2 days of use isn't just a dream, it's doable. Even under heavy load, this thing stays cool, barely hitting 34 degrees Celsius in stress tests. Now, let's talk price. Starting at just 1,999 renminbi, roughly $275, the Honor Power is a steal. Sure, you could get better cameras or a faster chip at this price, but if battery life is your top priority, nothing else comes close. Imagine flagship phones with this kind of endurance, how awesome would that be? So, what do you think? Is the Honor Power the battery king we've been waiting for, or do you still need more? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.